Welcome to the best picks. The best mini V8 engine is probably one of the most fascinating and rewarding projects for any automotive enthusiast or hobbyist. These compact powerhouses offer an unparalleled opportunity to build a miniature marvel of engineering, learn about internal combustion engines, and experience the satisfaction of creating something truly unique from a set of individual components. This detailed review will help you decide if a mini V8 engine kit is the right project for you. Number 5. Playz V8 Engine Model Kit. It's a hands-on STEM experience for both kids and adults. Build your own working replica of a classic V8 engine and enjoy the rewarding process. Watch it move. This isn't just a model, it's a miniature engine with powerful pistons, interactive cables, and realistic engine sounds. It's a perfect blend of fun and education. With cranks, pulleys, belts, and exhaust valves, this kit provides hours of fun. Bring this miniature engine to life and conquer those boring days. It's more than just a build, it's a brain-boosting challenge that supercharges critical thinking, creativity, and motor skills. Get ready for a rewarding experience. It makes a great gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It will captivate builders of all ages as they create and operate their own engine. What we like. It's a classic V8 engine model that you can actually see working. If you are looking for an engaging STEM toy that combines fun and education, this is perfect for curious minds. This kit is ideal for both adults and kids who enjoy hands-on learning and building. What people say. This engine, even though it's all plastic, is well made for the price. It was very easy to assemble and is a good way to introduce a child with interest in how an engine works to learn about it. All parts fit perfectly and the engine works as stated. Besides the fact that it's not a combustion engine, obviously, because it's plastic, it seems to operate like a real engine. I love that they give a quick overview of how the engine will work and a few pictures of how the intake works. After they laid out all the pieces separated from the plastic sheet they were attached to, they could see all the pieces easier, but it would have been better if the pieces or bags were marked in some way for identification purposes. The main problem with this set is that there are little nubs where you detach the small pieces from the plastic sheet they come on. You need to file the nub off to make them fit. It is expensive, but if you look at all the other plastic toys around, it is comparable in price. This was a fun build with all the tools, a single screwdriver, included. No glue needed. It is fun, educational, and entertaining to build and operate. Number 4. Franzis 1965 Mustang Model Kit. Get ready to experience the thrill of building a classic. This detailed model kit lets you assemble a piece of automotive history. It's incredibly detailed, capturing the essence of the original 1965 Ford Mustang. You'll be amazed by its accuracy. Watch it come alive. The engine's moving parts and LED lights add an extra layer of realism and excitement. Dive into the rich history of the Ford Mustang with the included 100-page book. Learn about its design and legacy. No glue needed. It's designed for easy assembly, taking only a couple of hours to build with the tools provided. The included electronic sound module and display base bring the experience to life, playing sounds from a real 1965 Mustang. What we like. This detailed model is a must-have for car enthusiasts. It includes a collector's book filled with history and facts about the car. If you appreciate intricate details and enjoy building highly realistic models, this is the one for you. What people say. Exceeded both of our expectations. I had a hard time justifying the expense for the model. After putting it together though, I have a better understanding of the components in an engine, how they go together and how they move. It has been a good and quick learning experience for me. He loved putting this together over the course of a day, and is a great way to get to know your way around the parts of an engine. Just remember to rub off the little plastic nubs on the parts that move, otherwise it will stick. Lo armemos juntos y lo único fue que el árbol lo tuvo que ligar un poco para que no estuviera tan justo, fuera de eso todo estanciar ble red heart funciona perfecto, el manual se entiende bien y no hay confusion para armarlo, todo está muy detallado light skin tonomoji modifier. Number 3. Robotics Vroom. STEM V8 Engine. Get ready to explore the amazing world of engineering. This kit contains over 270 pieces to build your very own V8 engine model. It's a detailed replica, teaching you how a car's engine works and provides power. You'll learn about its inner workings and how it all comes together. Once assembled, watch it come alive. See the pistons move, the fans spin, and the lights flash, just like a real V8 engine. It's more than just a model, it's an educational experience that enhances problem-solving skills and dexterity. It's a rewarding project you'll be proud of. Enjoy the show without the cost of gasoline. It only requires 3 AA batteries, not included, to power this amazing creation. This is the perfect STEM project for anyone 12 and up who is curious about how things work. It's a fun and engaging way to learn about mechanics and engineering. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides a truly realistic engine experience. If you're seeking an educational and engaging project that enhances critical thinking skills, this kit is a great choice. It's perfect for those who like to learn through hands-on building. What people say. My son liked building this kit a lot. The engine noises were a nice addition. My nephew is interested in becoming a mechanic and had asked me how an engine works since I have rebuilt engines and have a couple cars I am restoring. I got this for him thinking it would be a great way to see the internal workings. We spent an evening putting it together and he learned a lot. Received as a gift. Had distorted part that was replaced very quickly. Number 2. Playz Mini V8 Engine Kit. Get ready to experience the thrill of building your own miniature V8 engine. This detailed kit is perfect for adults who love intricate projects and enjoy the satisfaction of creating something amazing with their own hands. It is meticulously crafted from high-quality metal, ensuring durability and a realistic look and feel. Each component is designed for precision assembly, providing a challenging yet rewarding building experience. The kit's intricate design allows for a precise and satisfying assembly process. You'll appreciate the attention to detail in every piece as you bring this powerful engine to life. It's designed to be compatible with several popular RC car models, including the AX90104 SEX103 Capra and VS4-10 Pro Ultra. This makes it a great addition to your existing collection or a fantastic starting point for a new project. This isn't just a toy, it's a dynamic assembly project that will test your skills and provide immense satisfaction upon completion. Prepare for a rewarding journey of precision engineering. Looking for a unique gift for the model car enthusiast in your life? This kit offers hours of engaging fun and a stunning finished product they can proudly display. What we like. This miniature metal engine is a work of art. If you are looking for a high-quality, durable, and collectible model, this is the perfect option. It's ideal for model car enthusiasts and those who appreciate precision engineering. What people say. The detail is amazing on such a tiny product. It will look amazing when it's finished. The pieces are ABS plastic and yes, there are metal parts such as bearings and brass gold threaded sleeves. Number 1. DjuiinoStar Engine Kit DM13-1. Spend quality time with your loved ones. This 300+ piece kit provides hours of engaging assembly fun for the whole family. It's a great way to bond and create lasting memories. It's more than just a model, it's a learning experience. This kit perfectly demonstrates the inner workings of a 4-cylinder gas engine, making it ideal for science projects or anyone curious about mechanics. This isn't your average model kit. Once assembled, it's a stunning piece of art, perfect for displaying in your home or office. It's sure to spark conversations and add a unique touch to your space. This kit is built to last. Most of the components are made from high-grade aluminum, ensuring durability and a premium feel. You'll be proud to display your finished creation. This is a model of a 4-cylinder, 4-cycle gas car engine. It's powered by 2 electric motors and a rechargeable battery. See it in action, search for the assembly video on YouTube. What we like. This kit offers a challenging and rewarding build experience with lots of pieces. If you enjoy intricate assembly and want a unique conversation piece for your home or office, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who like to show off their creations. What people say. Somewhat challenging, in a good way, assembly, great fit of all pieces. Every part was well made and in its correct place. Detailed enough to make it interesting but still simple enough to complete in 3 to 4 hours. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.